Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video brought to you by stay4u.com. If you're looking to learn how to make money from hospitality property, you're in the right place. Whether you're thinking of renting out a room or buying a full-fledged hotel, hospitality properties can be an amazing way to earn income. It might sound complicated, but don't worry. We'll break it down so it's easy to understand. Grab a coffee and let's dive into the world of making money from hospitality property. First up, let's talk about renting out rooms or properties. What's the deal? One of the most common ways to make money in hospitality is by renting out properties or even just rooms in your house or a larger property. You can do this long-term or short-term, depending on what suits you best. How you make money. You buy or own a property, could be a house, apartment, or small guest house. Rent out the rooms to tenants or guests, long-term or short-term. The rent you collect goes toward covering your costs, mortgage, utilities, maintenance, and anything left over is your profit. Why this works? It's a solid way to make money because people always need places to stay. Whether it's for a few weeks or a few months, renting out a property can provide you with a consistent stream of income. Plus, you can raise your rent over time as the area becomes more desirable. Next, let's look at running a bed and breakfast. A bed and breakfast could be an amazing way to make money. Guests stay for a night or two, and you provide breakfast along with a comfortable place to sleep. How do you make money from running a B&B? You open your home or property to guests. Charge a nightly rate that includes accommodations and breakfast. Depending on your location, you might also offer additional services like homemade meals, local tours, or event hosting. Now, let's dive into short-term vacation rentals. What's this about? If you have a vacation property or a spare room, turning it into a short-term rental could be the perfect way to make extra money. Websites like Stay4U make it easy to list your property and find guests. How you make money. List your property on vacation rental platforms. Guests book your place for a night, weekend, or week-long stay. You get paid for the booking, often at a higher nightly rate than traditional rentals. Why this works? Short-term rentals offer more flexibility than long-term leases. You can rent out your property when it's not in use, and if you're in a popular area, think beach, city centre, or near attractions, you can charge a premium. Plus, you can decide when to make it available, which is ideal for people who may travel frequently or have other uses for their property. All right, let's talk about operating a small hotel or guest house. What's this about? If you've got the resources and are looking for a bigger challenge, owning and running a small hotel or guest house can be a rewarding way to make money from hospitality. This is especially ideal if you have a large property or several rooms to rent. How you make money. You purchase or own a building large enough to accommodate several rooms for guests. You hire staff, or run it yourself if it's small enough, and manage guest bookings. Guests pay for rooms, meals, and additional services you may offer. Why this works? A hotel or guest house can be profitable if it's in a high-demand area. Think tourist hotspots, business districts, or near transport hubs. You can charge premium rates for more luxurious rooms or offer extra services, like event hosting, conferences, etc., to increase revenue. Okay, let's wrap it up with looking at hotel management agreements. If you're not ready to buy property, you can still make money from hospitality by managing hotels for others. Hotel management agreements allow you to run a property on behalf of its owner, earning a percentage of the profits. How you make money. You agree to manage an existing hotel or hospitality property for the owner. You're responsible for day-to-day operations like staff, bookings, and guest services. In return, you earn a percentage of the hotel's income, or a set fee for your services. Why this works? This is a good way to get involved in hospitality without owning the property. It allows you to make money from the operations of a hotel or guest house, while someone else handles the initial investment. Plus, you gain experience in managing a hospitality business, which can be useful if you decide to buy your own property in the future. Okay, in conclusion, from renting out rooms to running a full-fledged hotel, there are many ways to make money in the hospitality business. The key is to find a model that works for your property, your budget, and your lifestyle. Whether you're just starting or are already in the game, these options can help you generate steady income. So, now it's up to you. Pick your path and start turning your hospitality property into a money-making machine. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stayforyou.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.